Welcome. In this video I will show you how to make the keyboard bigger on iPad Pro M5. If you are using your keyboard, for example, in a vertical mode, it can be way too small for you to navigate on, but you can simply rotate the screen of your device to put it in the horizontal mode. Just make sure that in the control center your auto rotation is on, so it's not red. And if you are using a floating keyboard, for example, then you just have to place 2 fingers on it and then spread them apart, and it will make your keyboard bigger. And so that's how you do it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.